This 2016 Lexus GS200T is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GS200 rear view camera, heated front seat, cooled front seats, power sliding sunroof, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, wood, aluminum trim interior, gray metallic exterior, black leather interior, floor mats, owner's manual under Lexus bumper to bumper warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have, or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 Lexus GS200T is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.